So the old battery, 12-volt battery that I had for my Lotus Evora died. So I picked up the new battery, Interstate MTP-91 T6, and the vent on the old battery used to be on the other side, so this would have reached it. This is the vent for the battery. So what I did was, I couldn't find a black hose. I bought these clear acrylic hose, clear vinyl tubing, and I'm just gonna tube it all the way around here instead, because the original older battery has the vent on the other side. So this is the finished product. Connected that with the old connector all the way around in there, and I taped it with electrical tape so that it doesn't come off.